A friend of mine used to work with people recently diagnosed with HIV. There was a standard piece of advice given to people about how to tell their partners or their new potential partners about this diagnosis. Take that person on a walk. Tell them when you're walking side by side, moving in the same direction. It's a beautiful symbol, of course, of what you hope will happen, but also it was useful to people because it allowed them to think carefully about how they wanted to share the information, to focus on delivering it the way they wanted to deliver it, and only then to begin to see the person's face and notice their reactions. And I was thinking about this recently because I've been interviewing people who are in some way introverted or socially anxious about what would make it easier for them to be in third spaces and to be involved in social movements. A lot of the people I interviewed said, I really care about this or that issue or space, but I find being there difficult because I notice that I'm being observed. And sometimes there's an implicit critique of a certain kind of activist culture there, but also it's simply human. Research shows that when we notice we're being observed, a big part of our brain goes to monitoring other people's reactions, and essentially we become self-conscious in a way that prevents us from taking in new information to a significant degree. Our working memories actually become worse, for example. This tip given to people receiving difficult diagnoses and sharing them with others made me realize that we are going to have to meet people, sometimes in person, and share difficult information and disagree and even watch as they have a difficult reaction. But if we can't face that head on, sometimes that's okay. Sometimes we can face it bit by bit, side by side.